Good day, everyone. Today, me and Francis will discuss how to classify animals. Now, let's begin. Mammals and birds are warm blooded animals, which means that they can regulate body temperature internally without having to rely on external heat sources. On the contrary, cold blooded animals like reptiles, fishes, amphibians, and insects are animals that control their body temperature through external heat sources. The different groups of animals, such as mammals, birds, insects, fishes, amphibians, and reptiles, can be classified based on their characteristics. Here are the animals we're going to talk about in this lesson. The first one is mammals, the second is birds, the third is insects, the fourth is fish, the fifth is reptiles, and the last one, amphibians. Mammals. Mammals are warm-blooded animals that breathe through the lungs and have fur to maintain body temperature. Most of them give birth to live offspring, care for and raise them, and give them milk by their mammary glands. The young typically looks like their parents. Mammals can be herbivore, carnivore, or an omnivore, and can be found on land, in water, or in trees. It can be classified into monotremes, marsupials, and placentals. So what are the differences between these three? Let us find out. So here are the differences. Monotremes lay eggs. The examples of these are platypus and echidna. Marsupials carry their young in pouches. Kangaroos and koalas are examples of this. Placentals are like humans that give birth to fully developed babies. Examples of placentals are dogs and carabaos. Birds are also warm-blooded animals that breathe through their lungs and have feathers to cover their bodies. They can be herbivores, carnivores, or omnivores and have special beaks for eating. Most birds can fly, like the eagle and the maya bird, while some can swim, such as the penguin. Birds hatch from eggs, and the young often look quite different from their parents. Most birds, such as eagles and owls, have strong breast muscles and hollow bones for flying. Others have big, solid bones for running, such as ostriches and emus. Swimming birds have webbed feet for paddling and denser bones as they steady in water.
Insects are cold-blooded animals that breathe through spiracles and trachea. They have three-part body structures consisting of head, a thorax, and an abdomen. Insects are hatched from eggs and may live in gardens, fields, forests, and bodies of water. They may eat by chewing, sucking, lapping, or piercing. Example of insect are beetles, bees, and ants. Fishes are cold-blooded animals. They breathe through and have gills and have slippery scales covering their bodies. They have fins to support their movements. Fishes are either herbivores, carnivores, or omnivores. They feed mostly on insects, tiny aquatic organisms, shrimp, mollusks, and jellyfishes. Most fishes lay eggs in water, but some give birth to live young. Fishes can be bony, cartilaginous, or jawless. Example of fishes are carp, milkfish, and paddlefish. Reptiles are cold-blooded animals too. They breathe through their lungs and have dry, scaly skin that prevents water loss and provides protection. Most reptiles lay eggs with leathery or hard shells, but some give birth to live young. Reptiles can be herbivores, carnivores, or omnivores. Reptiles can live in deserts and forests. Example of reptiles are turtles, snakes, and crocodiles. Amphibians are cold-blooded animals that breathe through gills, skin, and lungs at different stages of life. They have smooth, moist skin that can absorb water and oxygen from environment. Amphibians are opportunistic feeders that eat anything that fits in their mouths. such as insects, worms, small shrimp, and fishes, and other aquatic plants. They lay eggs in water. Examples of amphibians are frogs, toads, and salamanders.